Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2F Commercial Compositions. So open the Excel 2F Commercial Composition and go to Excel chapter creator 2F Commercial Composition. So click the download the all files, and if you want to complete the assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2F Commercial Compositions, and we move to the main question. Question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 2F commercial composition downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 2F commercial composition, and next is we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is rename the sheet 1 Arizona, select the sheet 1, right clicks, click the rename, and sheet 1 is Arizona, press enter, and next is sheet 2 is the Washington. So copy the Washingtons, select the sheet 2, right clicks and click the rename and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the Arizona sheet tabs to make the active sheets and then group the worksheet. So select the Arizona and group the worksheets, and next is Arizona and group the worksheet, and A1 is the Missouri Desert and Spacey. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A1. So select the cell is A1 and press enter, and next is and merge and center the text A1 to F1. So select the A1 to F1 and go to the home tabs, go to the alignment tools, click the merge and centers, and next is and then A1 to F1, apply the title set style. So apply the title set styles, and next is center the text A2 across the range A2 to F2. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and go to the home tabs, go to the language and click the merge and centers, and apply the heading 3 cell styles. The cell style and apply the heading 3 cell style. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the bonus rate for each salesperson and determined by the sales amount using the following scale, and sale greater than bonus rates 5% and sale greater than amount the greater than bonus rates with the sheets still group, and select the C5 a function. Determine the commission for the first sales, move sale in cell B5 and fill the formula through down in cell C8. So select the C5 and type is equal to, type the if functions, and next is B5 greater than 3 5,000s, type comma and type the 5 percentage, type the comma, and B5 greater than 25,000s, and type the comma 4 percentage, type comma, and B5 greater than 0, comma and 2 percentage, close bracket and press enter. So result is 2.0% and fill the formula down through cell C8. So select the copy the formula in cell C8, and so question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in cell D5 calculate the bonus of Moreland by multiplying the sales time the bonus rate. Copy the formula down through cell D8. So select the D5 and select the D5, type is equal to and sale time and bonus rate. So type is equal to B5 multiplied by C5 and press enter. And copy the formula down through cell D8. So copy the formula in cell D8. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is in cells F5 calculate the total composition by summing the bonus and base salary for Moreland. Copy the formula down through cell F8. So select the F5 and calculate the total compositions by summing bonus and bonus salary. Type is equal to type the sum functions and range is D5 to B5, close bracket and press enter. And copy the formula cell through F8. So copy the formula cell F8. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is in row 9 sum the column for sale, bonus, base salary and total composition. Apply the accounting number format with the 2 decimal places to the appreciate cells in the row 5 and row 9. In the row 9 sum the sales, bonus and base salary. So select the sales column, type is equal to and type the sum functions and press enter. And next is D9 type is equal to type the sum functions and press enter. Bonus and bonus salaries type is equal to type the sum functions and press enter. And next is total composition. So select the total composition, type is equal to type the sum functions and press enter. So question number 7 is complete. And apply the accounting number format with the 2 decimal places row 5 and row 9. So select the row 5 and row 9s. Apply the accounting number formats. formats and do not include the percentage. So question number 7 is complete. We'll move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is apply the comma style 2 decimal places to the preceded cell in row 6 to 8. Do not include the percentage and apply the total set style P9, D9 and F9. So select the row 6 to 8 where the comma styles and do not include the percentage and apply the total set style P9, D9 to F9. B9, D9, F9 and apply the counting number formats and apply the total set styles. Total set styles. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is ungroup the sheets and then insert the new worksheets. Change the sheet name to summary and then written column A 26 and column B, E and 19. So right click and click the ungroup the worksheets. Ungroup the worksheets and insert the new worksheets. Insert the new worksheets and change the sheet name as summary sheets. Change the sheet name as summary sheets. Right click and click the rename and press enter. And written column A is 26. Select the column A. Right click and column A this 26. Click OK. And next is B to E 19. B to E, right click and click the column with this 19 and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact us by WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my ITLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.